rush. He's gonna have the Youmuu's. Gotta go fast. All right. Was Headbutt just used?
Can Renegades get mid
What's Renegade? What's Renegade? He's
though?
got stand aside. He's got stand aside as well after this. That's gonna keep coming up. This is gonna be a very long chase. And TSM has to know when too much is too much. He's gonna get with the team.
This game is actually just a racing game. This is a mini game.
Oh my.
빨간 팀의 포탑을 파괴했습니다. 널 처단할 수 없다.
Get in, but I don't think he's going to be able to catch him.
Yeah, really bad teleport play right there, but we're still going.
Stixxay in a lot of trouble. Gangplank out coming in. Summoner he'll use Aphromoo on the run. And no, they don't quite get the slow, but this is all not looking good for CLG with Baron coming up so soon. If Origin can get more kills, and Mithy wants just that knockback by the explosive cast, but here comes Amazing. Soaz close behind Aphromoo, picks up his carry yet again, gets slowed down, and Stixxay jumping to save him.
Could be at risk of being run down. There's a Destiny available for Betsy behind enemy lines in channel. Soaz can move very, very quickly, but you're not quicker than a teleport. Soaz is looking for a way out. Go mid here. Rest of Origin should just group mid, push up for that team to tower. There's support!
also has a ward. Does get hit though, he's slowed.
And he's missing a turret, so here comes Bengi. He's gonna flash for the slow, which means Soaz has to burn it preemptively, and he guesses right. Bengi goes the wrong way, Soaz goes back in on the Marin, and the stun is still available. The Q comes in, gets some damage down, but where's his team gonna be? There's no one around right now. He's still running away through the wards. Pop, summoner, teleport, and the Soaz is a god!
Topside in between his turrets. Ollie making his way and looking for Yellowstar, but pretty tanky. There's the flash kick as Lemonation's trying to pick this one up. Shadow Dash comes out, another Q lands, exhaust immediately. Onto High, the binding dodge by Yellowstar. Gets through the base gate. High still wants it, misses the Q. Has to get out, but can't. He's going to walk towards the inhibitor. The Artemis Baby Rocket does it!